Luke, there's a rumor going around in the Walton College.
Yes,
Do you know
sir.
what it is?
No, sir, I don't.
It's that you helped start an RSO for sales in April, and you already have 125 students. Is the rumor true or false?
Yes, sir. I have to affirm those rumors are true. So near the end of last semester, Professor John Ballantyne, who's a dear mentor of mine in the sales program, I went to him and told him, what all can I get involved in with sales, because sales is just such a passion of mine. And he told me there wasn't much. He said there wasn't really any organization that students could join. And I told him, you know what, let's go out and make it happen, and let's go make a sales club for students to be a part in, and teach them the value of sales, because it is in every aspect of business and life. You're always selling something, you're selling yourself. And he paired me up with another student, Ianta, and her and I co-founded and created the sales club in 3 weeks, and we were able to launch it at the sales competition. So it
Luke,
was awesome.
That's amazing.
Yes, sir.
What is resonating with students such that like 125 have already gotten involved?
Well, I think I have to give credit to my team of officers. They've done a phenomenal job of going to classes and presenting to students. We reached out to a lot of the intro to marketing professors and sales professors to ask them if we could have a couple minutes at the beginning of class to talk to them about it. And it's just been going really well. And we got to be at the Walton block party as well, and present to students that came and stopped by our tent. And so people are really, really excited about it.
Luke, you are one of the most involved students that I know. And in that, I think you are taking advantage of this time in your life where you're at college, you're doing great in the classroom, and you're getting involved and layering on experiences that's going to make you a great professional. So super proud of what you're doing.
Yes, sir, Dean Williams. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.